Okay, so the James Webb Space Telescope might have just spotted something crazy, what looks like city lights on a planet super far away, like 7 trillion miles. This has everyone wondering if we're looking at alien life. The telescope was checking out Proxima Centauri b, which is our closest exoplanet neighbor, and saw some weird glowing stuff coming from it. Could these be lights from a city? Is there advanced life way out there? It's wild to think about. For ages, people have wondered about aliens, so any little hint gets everyone excited. Now, some big-shot scientists were blown away when the James Webb Telescope sent back some possible proof of life. It saw these odd, city-like lights shining from Proxima Centauri b. It's got researchers scratching their heads and thinking this could be the discovery they've been waiting for forever. If it's true, it means aliens are building civilizations beyond our wildest dreams, and we're just now catching a glimpse. NASA is wondering how long these lights have been shining, just waiting for us to invent the tech to see them. David Kipping, an astrophysicist from Columbia, says Proxima b is pretty interesting. It's got some crazy heat cycles because of its star, unlike other planets. Usually, planets soak up starlight and send it back as heat, but not this one. Its infrared heat is different from its star, Proxima Centauri, which again, is super interesting because of what the telescope has found. Because the James Webb Space Telescope can see infrared light, it's great for figuring out what's up with Proxima b's air and if it could support life. With some superpowered sensors, astronomers want to use it to dig into the planet's secrets and see if it's a place where life could thrive. The telescope is so precise that it can even see the faintest lights on Proxima Centauri b at night. It can spot any artificial light in space, even if it's way dimmer than starlight. Proxima b has some cool features. It looks like it has huge solar collectors soaking up energy from its star on the sunny side, while reflecting rays on the edge we can see. Like Earth, Proxima b has day and night, with crazy hot temperatures during the day and freezing cold at night. Without an atmosphere, the difference in temperature between the sides would be bonkers. So, figuring out these temperature changes is key for scientists. The James Webb Space Telescope is in the perfect spot to watch Proxima b's day and night cycles in just over 11 Earth days. If Proxima b has air, the next step is to check what's in it to see if it could support life. Oxygen, water vapor, and methane would be great signs. But spotting these things is tough, even for the best telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. Even though it's amazing, the James Webb Space Telescope can only study a few of the closest exoplanets in detail. So, astronomers are also looking at giant ground telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT. It might be working by 2028 and could tell us what the air on exoplanets is made of, which could give us big clues about life. Scientists are pretty happy about the possibility of more powerful space telescopes in the future. The James Webb Space Telescope is still helping us make big discoveries that could change how we see the universe. One of the main goals for future telescopes is to block out the brightness of stars so we can get a better look at the light from exoplanets. Scientists are working on ways to block starlight and analyze the light from these planets, which would help us learn about their environments and if they could have life. But it's not that simple since scientists have to know what gases are made by living things and which ones come from volcanoes. So, they're working hard to understand exoplanets and avoid any false alarms. The James Webb Space Telescope is giving us a sneak peek at what's to come, which may change how we understand the universe. Even after checking out tons of planets, scientists haven't found any clear signs of life. Are we alone? It's a question people have been asking for ages. Now, researchers are using the James Webb Space Telescope to search for alien civilizations, checking out planets for any hints of life. There's this idea that some alien species might already be out there, waiting for us to find them. Back in 1984, Jill Tarter and Thomas Pearson started the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, to help answer this big question. They've been scanning the skies for radio signals from other worlds. Radio waves can travel far without getting messed up, which makes them more likely to be picked up by the 42 radio antennas at the Allen Telescope Array in California. Even though SETI has been listening for alien signals for over 30 years, they haven't found anything solid. Until these recent announcements from NASA that the James Webb Space Telescope spotted city-like lights on a planet near us. Which is why it's the most powerful tool we've ever sent out to explore the universe. Launched in December 2020, it's the most advanced infrared telescope ever made. With its amazing optics, the James Webb Space Telescope can cut through space dust and reveal the parts of the universe we can't normally see. Its main job is to look at the first galaxies and stars that formed over 13 billion years ago. Named after James E. Webb, the NASA administrator who helped make the Apollo missions happen, the James Webb Space Telescope has awesome tech, including cameras, spectrographs, and sensors. Its giant mirror is made of 18 gold-coated pieces and is designed to gather light from the farthest reaches of the universe. It operates at supercold temperatures to spot the faintest heat from distant objects. Since it launched, the James Webb Space Telescope has given us an amazing picture of stars forming, galaxies colliding, and other space phenomena we've never seen before. The James Webb Space Telescope is a huge step for humanity's space exploration. It can tell us how stars, planets, and maybe even life have changed over time. Scientists think future space telescopes could be even better and might not only detect the signs of life, but also visually confirm the existence of alien civilizations. Until then, the James Webb Space Telescope is helping us bridge the gap between what we imagine and what we can prove when it comes to alien life. Each bit of information we get from it brings us closer to answering the question, are we the only intelligent species in the universe? The telescope is located almost 1 million miles from Earth and is set up to spot faint infrared signals from distant planets, stars, and galaxies. This allows it to see space objects in incredible detail. What's cool about the mission is the possibility that we might be seeing signals from a civilization. For example, artificial light isn't natural and would mean technology is involved. If the city lights from Proxima Centauri are real, the James Webb Space Telescope is in the right spot to watch Proxima B go through its day and night in just 11.2 Earth days. If Proxima B has an atmosphere, the next step is to check what's in it to see if it can support life. Things like oxygen, water vapor, and methane would be good signs. But finding these things means looking closely at how light moves through the air, which is super hard even for the best telescopes. Even though the James Webb Space Telescope is top-notch, it can only do so much with the planets closest to us. So, astronomers are now looking at giant ground telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT. It should be ready by 2028, and it'll be able to check what's in exoplanet atmospheres, so maybe it can tell us if they could have life. NASA and scientists everywhere are waiting for even better space telescopes. Until then, the James Webb Space Telescope is our best shot at learning about faraway worlds. Even with its limits, it's still showing us things that could change how we see the universe. The goal for the future is to make stars less bright so we can see the light from the planets around them better. They want to use tools or shields to block the starlight, kind of like using your hand to block the sun so you can see something far away. If we can dim the star, we can study the planet's light and learn about its climate and whether it could have life. But here's the catch: scientists have to figure out if the gases they find are from living things or from stuff like volcanoes. They need to get better at understanding exoplanets so they don't get fooled by false positives. The James Webb Space Telescope is giving us a sneak peek at what's next in discovering exoplanets. As we get better at exploring space, we can get a better handle on how complex the universe is. After checking out tons of planets, we still haven't found one with clear signs of life. Although they have been looking for a long time, the search still continues. Are we really alone in this huge universe? People have been wondering about this for ages. And right now, researchers are using the James Webb Space Telescope to hunt for signs of aliens, checking a bunch of planets for possible life. There's a thought that some alien species might already be out there, just waiting for us to find them. Back in 1984, two American astronomers, Jill Tarter and Thomas Pearson, started the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, to answer this question. The SETI Institute is looking for radio signals from other worlds. Radio waves can go super far through space without getting messed up, so they're more likely to be picked up by the radio antennas at the Allen Telescope Array in California. SETI has been listening for alien signals for over 30 years, but hasn't found anything solid yet. Still, Jill Tarter is staying hopeful and wants everyone on Earth to get involved in the search. After that, NASA said that the James Webb Space Telescope found city lights on a planet pretty close to us. The James Webb Space Telescope is the coolest tool we've ever sent out to explore space. It launched in December 2020 and is the best infrared telescope ever. It can see through space dust and show us hidden parts of the universe. It wants to look at the first galaxies and stars that formed over 13 billion years ago. The telescope has the newest tech. It's named after James E. Webb, a NASA that helped plan the Apollo missions. The James Webb Space Telescope has a bunch of cool equipment, like cameras and spectrographs, and a guidance sensor to keep it steady. Its huge mirror is made of 18 gold-coated pieces and is designed to gather light from the farthest parts of the universe. It runs super cold to see the faintest heat from faraway objects. Since it launched, the James Webb Space Telescope has sent back awesome pictures of stars, galaxies crashing into each other, and other stuff we couldn't see before. The James Webb Space Telescope is a big step for humanity in exploring space. It's super precise, and it's helping us figure out how stars, planets, and maybe even life started in the universe. Scientists think that future space telescopes will be even better. They might be able to find biosignatures and actually see alien civilizations and even their technology. Until then, the James Webb Space Telescope is doing great work. It's helping us connect the dots between what we imagine and what we can prove about alien life. Every bit of info it sends back is bringing us closer to the big question: are we alone in the universe? It sits about 1 million miles from Earth and works in a spot that's good for long-term viewing. Its gold mirrors and supercool tech can pick up faint infrared signals from distant planets, stars, and galaxies. So it can see things in amazing detail. What's really exciting is that we might be seeing signs of civilizations, not just livable planets. Artificial light isn't natural, it would mean there's technology out there. If that's true, the city lights from Proxima Centauri would be the first real proof of a society not from Earth. It would change everything, not just science, but also how we think about life in the world. It brings up a lot of questions, like, what do they want? Can we talk to them? Do they know we're here? Are they friendly?